Have you ever found a perfect supplier in China? Great price, nice photos, fast replies, and then thought, can I actually trust them with my money? You're not alone. Finding suppliers is easy. Finding a reliable supplier is the real work. Let me give you a simple step-by-step process you can use, even if you can't visit China. Step 1. Don't marry the first supplier. Use B2B platforms, trade fairs, referrals, whatever you have, and make a short list of suppliers. Your goal at the start is to have options, not the one. Step 2. First filter. Focus, communication, experience. Ask yourself, are they focused on my type of product or selling everything under the sun? Is their communication clear or copy-paste and pushy? Do they have export experience to markets like mine? If they're unfocused, unclear, or inexperienced, move on. Step 3. Basic verification. Ask for full company name, address, website, factory photos, or short videos. Then quickly check. Does the company name and address match on documents and email? Does the address look like an industrial area, not someone's bedroom? Does their online presence look like a real business? If basic info doesn't add up, don't argue, just walk away. Step 4. Price and quality. Don't just ask how much. Instead, describe your product clearly: material, size, target market. Ask for 2 quotes: normal quality and higher quality. If one supplier is much cheaper than everyone else, that's not a miracle. It's a warning. Step 5. Samples from 2 to 3 suppliers. Always order real samples. Get them from 2 to 3 shortlisted suppliers and compare. Material and weight, finishing details, function, consistency. Who matches your market best? That supplier sample becomes your reference standard. Step 6. Start with a small test order, even with a good sample. Don't jump into a huge order. Use a small test order to see, do they keep lead times? Do they follow specs and packaging exactly? How do they react when there's a problem? You're testing the relationship, not just the product. Step 7. Add someone on the ground for bigger orders when the order is serious. Add a safety layer. Third-party inspection company, sourcing partner, or trusted person in China. They can visit, verify, and inspect before the goods leave the factory. Quick recap. Shortlist several suppliers. Filter by focus, communication, experience. Verify basic company info. Compare price with quality. Get samples from 2 to 3 suppliers. Do a small test order. Use someone on the ground for big orders. Follow this, and you won't be perfect, but you'll avoid most beginner disasters. If you want more videos on supplier selection, quality control, and real stories from China, subscribe, like this video, and tell me in the comments what product you're trying to import.